Good morning, friends. I have come up with something new and interesting. I have come up with different pencil arts which you haven't seen before, maybe, and which is really interesting. You can give different activities to your children to do it at home, and they're really going to enjoy it. These are the different figures. I'm just going to skip through in a hurry. Can you see? This is the walking figures. All look different from each other. If you really tally, you won't find the same thing. All look different from each other, but they're doing the same thing. They are walking. Next, can you see a running? Can you see? All running at different modes, but they are running. And then pushing. Some are putting little strength, whereas some are putting full strength. This is pushing. Then comes pulling. Now when you push, you are going to put your force towards the objects. When you're pushing, you're putting your force towards the object. You have to push it. But whereas you pull things, you are pulling it towards you. You are just pulling it towards you. Then we have the different things here. Someone is drinking a glass of water. Someone is coming with the children. See, a small child is here. There are different figures. This is an old man, you can understand, with the stick. So this is how we can really give our children and ask them what is it to guess. They will really enjoy it. Since this is the lockdown period and children are getting bored at home, they're crying and they're not wanting to be stable at home, this is what you can do. Try out some new things so that they will really enjoy it. Look, my friends, they are doing different things. These are doing different things. This one is asking, this one is praising, this one is praying, this one is praising, this one is talking. They are both talking to each other, and these are all sitting. All are sitting in a different way. Someone is putting one leg on the other, someone is sitting in a simple way, someone is just sitting and gazing at things, but they are all sitting. Can you see the figures? All are different from each other. You can ask the children to guess. It is really very nice. The next thing you can see is here, two people are talking. Again, two people are talking, whereas one person is just sitting down. So what are they doing? They are doing the grouping. They are getting along together. Next, you can see people are dancing here. Someone is with the drum and the others are simply dancing. Don't you find it really nice? Don't you find it really very different? This is a very different thing, and I know you're going to really enjoy it when you do it for your children and when your children are going to do it. You can also make stories out of these simple drawings. What you do is, see, I have made one example. Here's one example for a story. Now my story is the sower. Now this is a sower who has the seeds full of bag. A seed full of bag, and what he does is, a bag full of seeds. The person has a bag full of seeds, and what he does is, he is going to throw away the seeds on the soil, on the ground. Now some seeds fall along the path where people just stamped and they went. Some fell along the rocky ground. Now on the rocks, do seeds grow? No. On the rocks, seeds doesn't grow. So it just got wasted. Whereas some fell along the thorns. Even if it falls along the thorns, it will grow. But what will happen? Because of the thorns, it will get cut and it will get destroyed. Next, some fell along the good soil. Some fell along the good soil. Now the things which fell along the good soil, it grew up and there was good harvest. Now, my dear friends, I can share with you some other few little things which I have got it ready. I hope you will like it. Now, our face has different expressions. Now, this is an expression of happiness. This is a expression of curiosity. Now this is an expression of tension. This is an expression of crying. Now there are different expressions in a face. What the psychologists, what the different peoples they can say by just looking at a face. Now can you see here? There are different faces here, and you see the different smiles, the just the ignorance and the happy face, and the crying face, jealous face, and disheartened face. You can see different faces here. These are the different faces. Now since we have already done enough with all this, what we can do is we can just opt for some games. Now you want to teach some games through these pencil art. What do? Look here. What game is this? They are playing badminton. They are playing badminton. Can you see? This is something really interesting, something nice. Children will really enjoy it. Let the children also play the badminton. Then, now people love games, whether it is small children or the elder people. They love to watch games, they love to play games. So this can be really interesting here. Now what's this? What are they playing? They are having hockey sticks in their hands. This is the hockey. They are playing hockey. You can also see the cricket here. They are playing the cricket. One is bowling, one is with the bat, he is batting, someone is on the ground fielding. Now there are different things. Then at last this is my last pencil art which I have got it ready. This is the basketball game. They are playing basketball. Can you see, my dear friends, with this simple pencil art, we can make it look so attractive, so beautiful, and it can really win their hearts, win anyone's heart if they see this. Let us all try this for our children. Let us all try this for our family members, and let us have a fun time. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you have really liked it, what you have got to know today, and you can also try it with some other people. It is really very nice to do these. Okay, thank you friends. Bye bye. If you have liked my channel, please like and subscribe my channel so that you will get mine more and more videos. Okay, bye friends. Meet you again in the next video.